Welcome back, welcome back. Is the DMV with Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland, honey. And today we wanted to do a little update because it's been a while. We haven't been, I have been so busy. I have been swamped with orders for doing custom wigs, from selling hair. Child, the weave doctor has been feeling like my own edges just have been snatched. But anyways, we wanted to give you an update and tell and talk to you guys a little bit more about my own experiences through my mineral balancing program journey. So some of the different, it's been approximately about 5 or 6 months, but I've started taking the vitamins probably for like the last month or month and a half. I can tell a tremendous difference. It is just amazing. Okay. And some of the things that these are some of the things that I have experienced during this time. So initially, during when I first started, just to do the actual sauna therapy, that's probably one of the first couple of things I started doing while I was on the program. And when I was doing the sauna therapy, I was instantly able to see results as far as being able to receive a deeper quality of sleep, feeling more relaxed, not as stressed. And a lot of my clients, some of my clients, they were mad because normally I would come in a little bit early to work, but honey, I gotta take care of myself, okay? The divas gotta be looking good, okay? Gotta make sure we staying alive and thriving in this stressful pandemic, okay? So that's one of the biggest things I noticed. Also, I also know how to do autonomic response testing, muscle testing on myself. And I was able to detect that during this period that I've been using the sauna therapy, I have not had to have as much B12 in my diet, so I guess, and also not as many digestive enzymes. So my digestion had increased greatly. The only minor setback that I did have was that I was taking the blue corn chips, which was suggested in the diet. However, for me, I don't think that corn processes too well. So I started to have a lot of gastrointestinal discomfort. So, and I guess in layman's terms, I had a lot of cramping and gas. And normally I don't ever hardly have that. Unless maybe I just, get my grub on completely and be eating like maybe stuff like chitlins or something like that. And even then, sometimes I don't really experience that many issues because I've done a lot of things to improve my gut health. Okay, so pretty much I did that, and I have been waiting. I had to get my mineral analysis during the. Somebody keeps talking to me, but I was trying to let them know that I am recording. Okay. So, anyways, I was waiting up to the last date of getting my mineral analysis. Actually, it was a UPS man who lost my hair sample, and me and my mama had to go up there and G up. We had to get gangster. Well, I don't know if he did it purposely, but find out he had my hair mineral analysis sitting on his desk almost 2 months later, and I needed to get to do my own hair sample before I can open up my account with the lab that is specializing and does all the testing for the because we don't do the actual test. We send it off to labs that go through all the different specifications and all the different things that give us the best accurate results. So I was waiting on this crazy man who had pretty much had my hair sample hostage. And so I had to pass my test. So those things were kind of delaying me getting my hair mineral analysis. But ever since now that I've got my analysis, I was able to determine that I was a mild fast oxidizer, meaning that and I had an inversion, which pretty much meant that my sodium potassium levels are off extremely. So and with my analysis, I was able to determine that I'm in my body is overactive, the adrenal and thyroid. So my sympathetic system was overactive. And also I was able to determine that at the cellular level, it is showing that I am having some diabetes trends, which I've kind of already knew. That's why I pretty much tried to avoid all types of sugar. However, one thing I am learning with this, because we assess everything at the cellular level, was that that your stress and your adrenals can control your hormones, which actually control your blood pressure and your sugar levels as well. So it's just a lot of different information. Okay, and another thing that I while getting my hair, hello, I'm recording. And another oh, close it. Oh, another another 3 minutes. Hold on 1 second. So another thing that I don't know why people are always trying to record, trying to come in here while I'm doing recording. I'm almost done. I got 2 more minutes for 10. So, anyways, going back to the discussion, someone keeps trying to interrupt me, and I can't stop and do my video like this. Well, I guess that's what happens when you have people 24/7 in your house, and they always taking up your family room, and now they want to take up your time to record. Can't wait 2 or 3 minutes. So, anyways, before I was interrupted, I'm about to probably now wrap this video up. Well, with this program, I also was able to determine that I had a high aluminum in my heavy metals, high level of aluminum. And with aluminum, you can experience memory loss. Actually, dementia could come from high aluminum. So I don't know, something in my diet, maybe the hair product, something I'm overly exposed to, I have been reducing. And I make sure now for the most part, when I'm using the glues, any type of paint products and tapes that I use to do the adhesive for my clients, I make sure I wear my gloves. And okay, so that's pretty much that's something else that I saw when I did my mineral analysis. Another thing, lastly, was that once I started taking they have vitamins specifically for mineral analysis. I mean, it's for your oxidation rate. So with me, I was able to take SPF, and I was able to take Lincoln, and that is given for people who have a severe they have severe different patterns with the sodium potassium rate, and also who have an overactive adrenals and sympathetic system. These things help to relax your system. And I am telling you now, the first couple of days, even people that knew in my personal life, like I was not showing up for stuff, okay? On the weekend when I was asleep, I did not get back up. I went out cold turkey. I remember the first 1 or 2 days, I might have slept for like 17 to 18 hours. No cap. Like, it is so serious. So it really helps to rest your adrenals. And I'm not taking that now because I'm doing some more muscle tests, and I was able to see that it's probably time for another retest since the guy took so long, because really supposed to get it done every 2 to 4 months. Because the guy lost my hair samples, I now probably have some time has lapsed, and it's time to do some more analysis. So I have been sleeping so much better. Before, I used to only sleep maybe about 6 hours, and sometimes I would still wake up tired. Now I'm sleeping about a good 8.5 on the low end to up to 10 hours a night. So sometimes I have to go to bed a little bit earlier just to make sure I get the adequate amount of sleep. And I've noticed I've take the GB3, that's a digestive enzyme. I've been able to eat more fats. Before, I was not able to digest fats properly. I've been able to eat more cheese, which I do miss occasionally. I don't eat it that often because it's sometimes constipating for me. But I've been able to eat more, digest fats better. Some different food products that I like to eat occasionally, especially for the fast oxidizers. It's good for them to slow down the oxidation rate by adding a different added 2 to 4 tablespoons of added fat per meal. And so I've been able to, I can tell that's been getting better. Also, the sleep is getting better. So when your sleep is better, my energy level has gotten better. Even my mood. Because sometimes I think as I gotten older, I became more of a moodier person. I generally was always, I still am a very happy, smiley person. But I can tell in the morning, I'm becoming a little bit more happier. Even when I go out to different events or different outings, I can tell that in the morning, I'm a little bit more cheerful because my body is more well rested. Trying to think, is there any other things that I noticed specifically while going on my diet? I think that's been about it. I think the person now, somebody's trying to come in the bathroom now while I'm doing my recording. But that's pretty much been about it. The rest has been amazing. My mucus Now, I did eat a lot of bad. I did cheat the last day, but pretty much all my mucus have gone away. I can tell the allergies, different things are getting better. Some things I had sensitivities to also lessened, were reduced while I was on this mineral balancing program. It's only been about a month and a half while I've been taking the vitamins. So for more information, please feel free to schedule with the weed doctor, and we can put you on the right track and help to balance out your oxidation rate and some of the symptoms that bad symptoms, negative symptoms that you may be dealing with. Thank you so much for your time. Until next time, bye.